Hey guys, we are here today to discuss about biomass and biomass feedstock. Biomass can be defined as the organic matter used as fuel, usually in a power station to generate electricity. Now, biomass isn't exactly a common word that everyone would encounter every day. So let's discuss what biomass is, so we can allow people to learn about biomass. In 3 words or less, what can you say about biomass? Andrei, why don't we start with you?
Sustainable.
Makes the world great.
Merry Christmas. Shop now.
Can you come back to me? Can you come back to me?
It is the environmentalist wildest dreams.
Very nice.
Trash.
Manure.
Anti-waste.
Necessary.
I just think it's innovative in the sense of just being good for the environment.
Biomass, right now, is innovative because of how damaging other sources of energy are. It is essentially the center of attention because of how good it is for the environment. I mean, it's turning our waste products into new and renewable sources of energy. Imagine how that could change our whole life.
So like being one solution to
Yeah,
environmental
solution.
problems.
Can we talk about like how this biomass, biofuel are created? Right? Like instead of mining for oil or stuff, the planet can now use its waste product to create something that we need. Biomass feedstock is from energy crops. It is from agricultural crops residue. It is from forestry residue also. This planet can now be run by algae, wood processing residue, municipal waste, and even wet waste. So like now, we can actually try to reduce pollution.
I do have to jump in
because
and
these
elaborate on what
biomass
guys
resources
said.
are based on
These
organic
biomass
waste
feedstocks,
and not
waste, and
actually
whatnot can be
harmful
turned
to the
into fuel.
environment. So
Energy crops
like,
are the non-food crops that can be grown in nutrient-deprived land to improve water and soil quality. The agricultural crop residue is the leftover products from the food crops like leaves, husks, and plant straws. Forestry residue is from logs that cannot be sold or decayed. Algae are these organisms that use sunlight to create biomass. Wood processing residues are the byproducts of wood processing. Sorted municipal waste are mixed commercial and residential garbage, while wet waste is essentially the food waste, sewage, sludge, and manure.
Alright, show of hands. Who have already used biofuel? Why haven't you used biofuel? Are there downsides or cons to using biofuel or biomass energy instead of conventional fuel or energy sources?
Because in most places in the world, biofuel and biomass are not yet widely used, and some countries still prioritize more conventional fuel like crude oil and fossil fuels. The industry of biomass energy is also smaller than the fuel industry as of now, so biofuel isn't as available as other fuel. And if you really want to get into it, I used to think that it's better just avoiding biofuel altogether. I used to think that biofuel should be avoided. That's where I was, okay?
So what changed that? What made you realize that biomass energy is just better than what we're currently using? Where is the benefit there?
Well, there's a lot.
No, but just what exactly made you change to biomass?
For one, it's cheaper and the raw materials are way more available.
But for something that's readily available, why didn't you choose biomass first?
Just like I said, not all places have switched to biomass feedstock. It's just that the resources to do so are more common than
Look,
fossil
anywhere you
fuels
go,
or other
you know what I'm
energy
saying?
sources.
There's gonna be feedstock all over the place. But not all those places process those resources into biomass.
Shopee birthday sale. Shopee birthday sale.
Biogas systems turn the cost of waste management into a revenue opportunity for farms, dairies, and industries. Converting waste into electricity, heat, or vehicle fuel provides a renewable source of energy that can reduce dependence on foreign oil imports, reduce greenhouse gas emissions, improve environmental quality, and increase local jobs.
It provides an opportunity to recycle nutrients in the food supply, reducing the need for both petrochemical and mine fertilizer. It is also a waste management solution that solves multiple problems and creates multiple benefits, including revenue streams.
However, to reach its full potential, the industry needs consistent policy support, reliable funding of Farm Bill energy title programs, and a strong renewable fuel standard encourage investment and innovation in the biogas industry. If different countries intend to diversify its fuel supply and take action against climate change, it should strongly consider the many benefits of biogas.